maybe for Rocky Mountain Race Week 2.0 we'll have it. So
there you go.
That's the goal, anyways.
Yeah.
In the meantime, I'm just gonna keep him busy.
Yeah.
He got a scooter to work on.
What's your name? Where are you from?
Chris Atkinson from Perry, Oklahoma.
Oh, nice.
So we made the drive down through the snow.
Very cool.
You know, the only time we get a really bad snowstorm is when we go to do something.
Yeah, of course.
We're still trying to get cleaned up. We hit a car wash and didn't get anything off of the car, so we'll get there. I bought this at the right time, right as the pandemic was getting started. The guy in Texas wanted to switch up to something else, and I made a good buy on it.